Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Kathy will be back next week. So today I'm doing a whimsical painted ballerina pumpkin. Wow. And this is something that I just came out of my imagination. And I bought these pumpkins here from Dollar Tree. In fact, this entire project cost $5 to make. So I have one for the head, one for the body, and I am going to glue those together with some wood glue, and I'm going to use this Harvest Orange to paint both of those pieces. And this is what it looks like. And I did put 2 coats on there. Now, her legs are the witch legs that you can find also at the Dollar Tree. And like I say, this is very whimsical, so she's going to be a funny little pumpkin. And this was a fun little project. I haven't really done a painting craft for a long time. So I'm just going to take a little of this brown color. It's like a beige. It's called golden brown. And I'm going to paint a little bit of the veins through the pumpkin. Turns out you really don't see it that much, but I didn't know that when I started. So there you go. Don't be afraid to paint either. It is so much fun and so relaxing. And remember, it's only paint. If you mess up, just paint over it. So, this little pumpkin is going to be wearing a tutu, and I'm making it purple. It's to match her socks on her legs. Very simple to do. So, I just have a little outline there that I just made up. Just a scoop for the arms and a scoop for the neck. Okay, so here's that stuff that I really hate to use. Also found at the Dollar Tree, and that is going to make up her tutu. So while I'm waiting for the paint, I have to go visit my cat. And I want to tell you, take time out for yourself. Enjoy the day. Okay, so I'm going to make a little template here for the eyes. And the face that I found is from Pinterest, and it was by a lady named Lorraine Gower, G-O-W-E-R. I want to give her credit. And she had a whole thing on painting pumpkins, and I guess she does this on real pumpkins. So I kind of borrowed her little face, and I did make it my own as well. But so there's the eyes. And I'm just using a white paint. It's a bright white. And I'm gonna go ahead and paint the eyes in. And this also took a couple of coats. And like I say, don't ever worry about making a mistake. It is so easy to fix. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, gotta go visit my kitty. This is Shiloh. And I have, let's see, I have Shiloh here and her mama. No, not her mama, her sister. And then 3 others. I have 5 cats. I keep collecting them. They were all ferals, but I can't take any more in, and I do feed the outside ferals. These cats live with me. They have a special room. Hi, Shiloh. She is a sweet one, too. Okay, so I'm going to cut the strips for the tutu, and they're about 6 inches wide. You know what? And nothing has to be perfect. I don't measure everything every time. I just pretty much eyeball it. And what I did was roll it up, and I stapled it on. And that was really an easy process. So I just went all the way around. Look how cute that came out. It matches her perfectly, the purple and the orange. And there's her legs. Okay, so that is a heart, a misshapen heart. Gonna be the nose. So I made another template and I'm just gonna trace it on there. And I traced a little mouth on there. And I'm gonna use, what is that? Flamingo red, but it's not really a flamingo red. It's more like a mauve brick colored red. And I'm gonna use that for her nose. And once you outline it, it makes it a lot easier. That's why I do the templates. And then I'm going to take the black and I'm going to go ahead and paint the mouth. She's got a squiggly little mouth. I'm also going to go around the eyes and the nose. And that's kind of the hard part for me. Now you could use one of those permanent black pens, the thinner ones, and outline it yourself. So I'm going to paint her pupils, not her pupils, her irises on her eyes. It's like a turquoise green color. She's going to be a green-eyed lady. And that did take a couple of coats as well. Look at that cute little face. Okay, now my Maggie wants to come out too. All my cats and my 2 dogs all get along beautifully together. They don't know anything else. They've been raised together. Hi, Shiloh. Hi, Maggie. I love my animals. I just love being with animals. Okay, so she's dry. And here I go, doing the outline. And I don't have a real steady hand anymore. And it's okay, like I say. Nothing has to be perfect. And if you can't paint it fairly straight, get one of those permanent ink, the thin ones, and just outline it. So her face is coming together. There she is. I painted a few little eyelashes on. And I will add some more detail to her eyes. So I painted the pupil in and took a little of the white and made some little blue dots on the side just for brightness. And little crisscrosses of orange in the nose. Little white there on the mouth. Easy to do. Anybody can do this. And now I'm taking a light lavender and I'm just gonna outline her arms. Now she has her arms tucked behind her. I did not make arms, so she's got them tucked behind her. So I just outlined her little tutu and put a pretty little whimsical bow. Very easy. And there she is. She is just coming out so cute. When I get this done, I'm gonna add a stake to it. And I'll probably stake it in the front yard for a while. Okay, so she needs some rosy little cheeks. And this is that flamingo red again, and white. And I'm just going to mix the two together to get a lighter shade. And there she goes, her little cheeks and a little chin. A little bit dabbed on her forehead. I did add some more eyelashes. Okay, so I need to paint this stem, and I didn't have any of the sienna brown, so I mixed that light brown with a little black to darken it up. All this paint you can find at any craft store. Walmart carries a lot of it. So there's my mix of paint, just to darken it up. And I did add a few little highlights on the veins of the pumpkin. Just to add a little detail. So she's done. I brought her outside and stood her up. Added a little leaf and a little purple flower. And isn't she cute? And she's big. She's probably a good 3.5 feet tall. So like I say, I'll get a stake and I'll put it on that one straight leg. And then I can just stake it right down into the ground. And I think she's adorable. So much fun. Thanks for watching. And try this. It's really relaxing, a lot of fun. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Thank you all. Love you guys. Bye-bye.